It was a hot evening in July, and we had been told there was a large bison herd up ahead on the wildlife loop at Custer State Park. Custer State Park is located in the Black Hills of South Dakota. It is a wildlife reserve of 71,000 acres that offers many different outdoor activities. The wildlife loop at Custer State Park is 18 miles long and winds through pine-covered hills and rolling grasslands. This scenic drive is host to most of the park's wildlife, and you can usually find bison, burros, and prairie dogs. This is one of the prairie dog towns. They're very cute. The free-roaming bison herd at Custer State Park is famous and can frequently cause bison jams on the roadway. So be sure to allow a minimum of 2 hours for this beautiful drive. Well, I think the buffalo herd thinks it's a little too hot today. They're all just laying down and relaxing. They are not on the move today. The bison herd at the park averages around 1,400 head of bison. Each spring, around 300 to 400 calves are born. Not quite sure why that bison is standing right next to the truck.
There are actually two of them.
Are there two standing right next to the truck?
Yep.
Personally, I'd be a little nervous at that point, because we've seen them put head imprints in cars before. I think they're really hot.
Yeah.
It's on this side too. While bison appear gentle, they are deceptively fast and dangerous, so stay in your vehicle when you're around them. So we sat quietly in the truck for several minutes, watching this magnificent herd of bison.
Here comes a couple of burly guys.
Well, we just saw a very large herd of bison in the wildlife loop. I think they were really hot. Most of them were just kind of laying around.
There were some that were trying to cross the road.
Yep.
And some males were making some weird sounds. I suppose they were hot too.
Maybe that's just bison sounds. I don't know.
Yes.
But it was really neat to come across the herd. And that, like I said, that was a big herd this time. Both sides of the road for a nice stretch.
We have a burro collection here. They're looking for handouts. Yeah, from year to year, this year the grasses have turned brown early compared to last year we were here. So this is the visitor center for the wildlife station. It says wildlife station visitor center. It is open. We stopped in there a few times. One of the spots that's also frequented by the buffalo. We've seen them here a couple of times in the past.
Here's a couple of the buffalo safari jeeps. It's a tour that you can take here in the Black Hills. Evening is a great time to drive the Wildlife Loop Road at Custer State Park. We hope you enjoyed this video, and please check out our others as well.